Hello and welcome to the Complete Social Media Design course. Thank you so much for signing up. I really appreciate it. And so I want you to know that if you run into any type of questions, I'm here for you. All you have to do is go here to recent questions and click post your first question if you have any type of question or if you just want to introduce yourself to your fellow students. Alternatively, you can click the Q&A here, which stands for question and answers. You can search for a question, as you can see right now. There's no questions as of recently, or you can ask a new question if you don't find the answer. It's good to search for a question before you ask a new one so that all the information stays within one question, so future students don't have to look at 5 sources and put it all together. Alright, so thank you once again and have fun with this course.